Welcome! In front of me I have Garett Women Nicole smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your blood oxygen levels measurements, make sure to put your smartband on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor on the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Okay, once you wake up the screen, you can press the touch sensitive button repeatedly to scroll through the menu. So let's wake up the screen. It's a bit wonky, not working too well, but let me try this. Okay, now we can scroll through the menu by pressing on the button like this. Scroll through the menu until you see the blood oxygen option, and I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor and the measurement should start automatically. So let's wait for the result. It may take a couple of seconds. And here we have it. That's our result. So basically how it works, when you open the blood oxygen level widget, it should start measuring automatically. So when you open it, please wait until you see the result. And once you see the result, you can simply press the touch sensitive button again a couple of times to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.